other time. I could help.
Ding dong.
It's here, I am going. Hi.
Hi, miss.
Go ahead.
Calm down. How is going?
Peter, I come from work.
I phoned next to my cousin.
Will, there is a better plan than to watch a movie on Sunday.
Oh, yeah. They recommend me a movie called Darling.
So good. One moment, Mary. I am going to make a book.
Okay. Good timing.
Okay.
Dua, put the news fast.
Okay, I go.
Yes, Michael. The Miami-Dade County Police arrested a 34-year-old man in Spanish today, Tuesday, in the center of Miami. Yes. Alex Santiesteban was arrested and accused of attempted. Yes. Gravity homicide. And now she is waiting a judicial order. Yes. This is Today News. Reporter Samantha Brown. Thank you. On Telecinco Live. Yes.
Oh my God. Oh God, I can't believe it.
You have here the brochure.
This word.
I don't have a paper with me. Bingo.
I go. Hi, Fatu. How are
Hi.
you?
Good. Hi, Mali. Hi, Fatu.
Very beautiful.
Thank you. Waiting. Thank you.
Sorry.
You have seen the news? No. What happened?
Last weekend, a man in Florida, Miami, has murdered a 12-year-old boy and beat him. Yes.
Do you have a picture of the boy?
Yes, look at.
Oh no, it's Brian Remington. I know his mother. Let's send him a message.
Yes, let's do it.
Hi, Lucy. I am very sorry about your son. Sorry. I give my sister's comments.
A star that shines bright in the sky. Sorry.
Bye.
Bye.